This is Dave Espino, and today we're answering the question, what is the best way to make money online from home? And I actually answered that question in a book that I wrote called Monetize Yourself, How to Turn Your Experience into a $100,000 Income. In this book, I outline 5 of the best ways to turn your experience into an online income. And out of those 5 ways, I've landed on the ultimate way, the most incredible way to do it. And the most incredible way is to create how-to video courses. Now, I've made millions of dollars selling my how-to video courses, and I show you how to do it, and I tell you all about it in my book called The World's Most Perfect Business. I'm going to have a link to this book below this video too. It's free. And The World's Most Perfect Business is very simple. You take your superpower, that is, your knowledge, your experience, your talents, your skills, even just things you're passionate about, and put it into a video training course. Now, the video training course could be very short. It could be 1 hour, 2 hours long. But what you do is you're imparting your information, your hard-earned experience and information into a video course that people can then buy over and over and over again because it's a digital product. And so you can duplicate it over and over and over again. And when you do that, you're taking advantage of some incredible leverage, and that is the internet is a constant flow of information. It's a constant flow of people looking for information. In fact, every second that ticks by, there's 68,000 searches happening. Every single second, 68,000 searches per second. What are these people searching for? They're searching for information, and a lot of them are searching for how-to information. They want to learn how to do what you're already good at. They want to learn how to do things that you've already experienced throughout your life. They want to learn how to overcome problems, how to overcome challenges, how to overcome obstacles. They want to learn how to do something quicker, faster, more efficiently. They want to learn how to manage people. They want to learn how to bake sourdough bread. They want to learn all kinds of things. You have the knowledge that somebody out there is searching for, and often lots of people are searching for, because remember, 68,000 searches every single second. It's amazing. So because the internet is this massive ocean of information seekers, you can be on the other side of that, and you can be an information provider, right? And when you do that, you're now in an incredible business, because not only are you making an ongoing passive income with that business, but you're also impacting and helping lots of people out there all over the world. Just to give you an example, I have over 60 online courses, and I've helped over 770,000 people in 183 countries around the world with my information. Imagine the impact you could make if you were in that same situation, and you can be. It's very simple. It's a very simple process. So if you'd like to know more about what I call the world's most perfect business, be sure to get this download. It's available at the link below this video on YouTube. And if you like this idea of making money from home by creating online courses, then hit that subscribe button and click like on this video. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.